Hey, Facebook and YouTube, it's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning, and we are located at 7609 Southeast Overland Street, Milwaukee, Oregon, 97222. And you can contact me directly with any concerns you may have regarding carpet cleaning, stain removal, any of that good stuff. I will do my best to answer any question that you might have. And my direct line is 503-939-0534. And today we are in an apartment doing some apartment carpet cleaning. And in this particular room, unit, I should say, we got some pretty nasty, I really don't know what came through here, if this was garbage or something spilled. I honestly don't know, because you would think that from the front door you would have the same thing going on if people came in with dirty shoes. So something got drugged through here, obviously. Maybe it was a dead body or something. But anyways, we're going to have fun trying to clean this up. And this is pretty much it. And got 2 bedrooms. And we are going to CRB this, because I don't know what this is. But we did do a vacuum. And we did fill up a Kirby bag, so quite a bit of debris in the carpeting. And the carpets look like that they had been previously vacuumed. So this wasn't completely all trashed out, although it is pretty heavily soiled. It is pretty trashed. And in fact, if I was moving into a place like this, I would insist that there would be new carpeting put in here. And I bet there's all kinds of nasty stuff under the rug as well. Anyways, we're going to clean this up to the best of our ability. We're going to hit it up with some grease remover, extractor, citrus. We're just going to pull out all the stops and see what we can do here.